Hello students, welcome. Today we shall proceed for the exercise 5.2 question number 4. Up to question number 3 we have solved in previous lecture. Question number 4. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Here it is an AP. You know it is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, and which term is this? ये किस टर्म कौन से नंबर पर है? We don't know. Dash means it is the nth term. We don't know. So it is nth term. First term A is your 3. Common difference D. Second minus first. We know how to find the D. Second minus first. 8 minus 3. 5. Let it is the nth term. Because we don't know its position. It is first position, second, third, fourth term, dash. It is your, suppose it is nth term. Let nth term of the given AP is 78. Nth term, how do we write nth term? Nth term means an is equal to 78. You know an we can written as a plus n minus 1 into d. ये आपका nth term निकालने का formula था. Is equal to 78. Now substitute the value. A is equal to 3 plus n. We don't know. N is not given. Minus 1 d. D is your 5 is equal to 78. Now in the next step, take this to the right hand side. Side change, sign change. N minus 1, 5 is equal to 75. Now take 5 from here. It will go to the denominator. N minus 1 is equal to 75 upon 5. 5 ones are cancel 15. N minus 1 is equal to 15. N is equal to 15 plus 1, 16. Means, which term is this? Therefore, nth means 16th term of the given AP is 78. इसकी जो पोजीशन है वो 16 नंबर पर है. 78 जो आपका जैसे फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ और एक कौन सी टर्म आ गई हमारे पास? इट इज 16th टर्म. वंस अगेन, पहले पूरा वीडियो देखना आपने, ये रोज ना बोलना पड़े. पहले पूरा वीडियो वॉच करो, उसके बाद जाके दोबारा इसको रिप्ले करके फिर उस लिखना शुरू कर दो. इसी वीडियो के साथ साथ नहीं चलना आपने, पहले पूरा समझ लेना आपने, इजी रहेगा आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. अब सेम क्वेश्चन ऑलमोस्ट रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इन ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एपीज 7, 13, 19 -205. How many terms are there? You know it is first term, it is second term, third term, dash. It is, which term is this? It is not fourth. First, second, third, then comma dash means we don't know its position. It is nth term. First term, second term, it is nth term. How do we solve this? You have to try it yourself. Now I am doing the second part of this question. इसका सेकंड थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है, मैं सेकंड वाला कर रहा हूँ. जिस तरह के सेकंड क्वेश्चन होगा सेम वैसे ही फर्स्ट वाला होगा. सो यू विल ट्राई योर सेल्फ दिस. हियर a इज इक्वल टू 18. d, हाउ डू वी फाइंड d? सेकंड माइनस फर्स्ट. 15 होल 1 अपॉन 2 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल टू चेंज इनटू प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. 15 2 30 प्लस 1, 31 अपॉन 2 माइनस 18 इज इक्वल टू taking the LCM 2, 31 minus 18 2 are 36. Opposite sign, it is minus 5 upon 2 after subtraction. Minus 5 upon 2. So which position is this? Its position is nth term. It is your nth term. It is your nth term. Minus 47 is your nth term. So we do write like this. A is equal to minus 47. How do we write nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 47. Now substitute the value. What is A? A is your 18 plus we don't know n minus 1 d. D is your minus 5 upon 2, always within the bracket, is equal to minus 47. Now change its side. It is as such. Minus 47 minus 18. N minus 1 minus 5 upon 2 is equal to minus 65. Since these are the similar sign, so they will add minus 65. n minus 1 is equal to minus 65. Take this to the right hand side. If you are taking this to the right hand side, it will be reciprocal. 2 upon minus 5. 5 table 5 ones are 5 13s are 65. It is 13 twos are 26. Your n minus 1 is equal to 26. Take this to the right hand side. It will become plus n is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. Therefore, number of terms, how many terms are there? There are 27 terms. You will try yourself the first part of this question. ये सब लगभग एक जैसे है वही, देखो इसमें वही है सेम. देयर इज स्लाइट डिफरेंस, हल्का सा डिफरेंस है. चेक वेदर minus 150 इज अ टर्म ऑफ द एपी. 11 8 5 2 यहाँ कहीं look at here, is it minus 150 here or not? फर्स्ट टर्म, सेकेंड टर्म, थर्ड टर्म, फोर्थ टर्म और डैश डैश यहाँ कहीं -50 है या नहीं है? यू हैव टू चेक. अगेन सेम क्वेश्चन. ए फर्स्ट टर्म, डी सेकेंड माइनस फर्स्ट, -3. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर द साइन. साइन मिस्टेक नहीं होनी चाहिए. ग्रेटर नंबर का साइन ऑलवेज आफ्टर सब्ट्रैक्शन. चेक वेदर इट इज द टर्म ऑफ दिस एपी और नॉट. Suppose we are supposing that it is nth term. Let an is a minus 150. Nth term is a minus 150. You know an is written as a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to minus 50. A from here 11 plus we don't know n, d minus 3 minus 50. Now change it to right hand side. Sign change. Taking this to the right hand side, it is minus 161. Since similar sign, add same sign. Now take this to the right hand side. N minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 160 upon minus 3. Minus minus cancel. 161 upon 3. Taking 1 to the right hand side. The side change, sign change. LCM 3. 161 plus 3 ones are 3. 164 upon 3. n is 165 3. 164 by 3 means n your number है. Number should be always counting number. You know, जैसे टर्म है ना, it is first term, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. They are counting number. Means n should always be counting number. Since it is not counting number, इसमें अपॉन है ना, ये फ्रैक्शन में है. So n cannot be fractional. Since n is not a natural number, n is not a counting number or natural number. So your minus 150, this minus 150 is not a term of this AP. यहाँ minus 150 कहीं भी नहीं हो सकता, कहीं पर भी नहीं हो सकता भाई, because n is not your natural number. Hence minus 150 cannot be a term of the given AP. Similarly, question number 7. Find the 31st term. आपने 31st term find out करनी है of an AP whose 11th term is 38. 11th term is 38. 11th. We know how to break the 11th term. 11th term कैसे लिखते हम लोग अगर आपने 11th term find out करनी? इससे एक कम ना, a plus 10d. 11th term can be written as a plus 10d is equal to 38. 16th term. 16th term means a 16 is equal to 73. 16th टर्म को क्या लिखते हैं हम लोग? a plus 15d is equal to 73. Now you know equation number 1 and equation 2. These can be solved by any of the method. You can solve by substitution method, elimination method, and or cross multiplication method. These two equations. Since their first term are similar, so we are using the elimination method. Simply subtract 2 from 1. Subtracting 2 from 1. If you subtract 2 from 1, like this, a plus 10d is your 30d, first equation. A plus 15d is equal to minus 73 is your second equation. Subtracting means you are changing the sign. You will change the sign. Plus a minus a cancel. 15 minus 10, 5. Greater number minus 5d. 73 minus 38, 35. Greater number minus. So D is your minus 35 upon minus 5. Minus minus cancel. 5 7 is 35. D is 7. Now you know, if we know the D, substitute this value in equation number 1 or 2. Either any one. You can put here D or you can put here D. So we are choosing the equation number 1. Substituting D is equal to 7 in equation number 1. A plus 10, here it was D. We are writing 7 is equal to 38. A plus 10, 7 is 70 is equal to 38. A is equal to 38, change its side. Side change, sign change, minus 70. A is minus 32. Greater number sign. You know A, you know D. मैंने पहले बताया था, अगर आप A और D जानते हैं, आप कोई भी टर्म निकाल सकते हैं. कोई भी टर्म आपसे पूछी हो. Here you have been asked, find the 31st term. You have to find 31st term. So how do we find 31st term? 31st term, A31. A31 can be written as A plus 30D. Do you know A? A plus 30D. Yes, A is our minus 32 plus 30. D is your 7. 7. Minus 32 plus 37 is 210. 210 minus 32. 178. So it is your 31st term. Similarly, question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. 50 terms means you have given 50 n. Number of terms, how many? 50. N is equal to 50. Of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. Again look at it. N given 50. Third term. Third means A3 is equal to 12. You know how to write third term. A plus 2D. Third term can be written as A plus 2D is equal to 12. You can write it equation number 1. एक तरीका ये भी करने का है. अगर आपने वो नहीं करना तो आप यहाँ से इसको इस तरह भी कर सकते हैं. A is equal to, यहाँ ले जाओ उसको, 12 minus 2D. Change its side. Equation number 1. Last term is 106. Last term means how many terms are there? 50. 50 terms are there. Last term means A50. Here last term is a 50th term. A50 is equal to 106. A50 can be written as 50 term can be written as A plus 49D. जैसे 3 का लिखा ना मैं 2D. 50 का लिखेंगे 49D. A plus 49D is equal to 106. A you know 12 minus 2D. From here you will write 12 minus 2D plus 49D is equal to 106. Like terms. These two are the like terms. 49 minus 2, 47D. 12 plus 47D is equal to 106. Now take this to the right hand side. 47D is equal to 106 minus 12, which is 94. D is equal to 94 upon 47. 47 ones are 47, 47 twos are 94. So D is your 2. Now we shall put this D in equation number 1 here. Substituting D is equal to 2 in equation number 1. It is your A is equal to 12 minus 2D. 2D. D is your 2. 12 minus 4 is equal to 8. You know A, you know D. Now can you find any term? Yes. Which term is asked here? 29th term. तो 29th को कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? A plus 20D, 28D. 29th term is A plus 28D. A की जगह आपने लिखना है, D की जगह आपने लिखना है. A29 is your A plus 28D. A was your 8 plus 28D is your 2. 8 plus 28 2 is 56. ऐड करो 64 आ गया. इससे बताया जा रहा है रोज का वीडियो पहले आप पूरा देखो, उसके बाद लिखना शुरू करना है. आपको 80-90% एक ही बार में समझ आ जाएगा. अगर आप साथ साथ लिखना शुरू करेंगे आपको कुछ भी समझ नहीं आएगा. इसलिए जैसा बताया जा रहा है रोज वैसा ही करो ना। दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।